Best winter houseplants. 21 plants to grow indoors in winter. The best winter houseplants are those that can cope with low light levels and changeable conditions indoors, so add some of these expert picks to your home. Houseplants grace our interiors all year, but the best winter houseplants take on extra importance, adding life, color, and stress-reducing air-purifying qualities during the colder months of the year. Winter houseplants add color and interest indoors, while our gardens sleep and are more resilient at withstanding the sometimes challenging conditions of our homes during the colder months. There are many indoor plants to choose from throughout the year, including low-maintenance indoor plants or indoor low-light plants, which will also cope well in the months when most plants are dormant. Whether you're a long-standing indoor plant lover or a beginner, prepare to exercise those green fingers in the off-season with some of these best winter houseplants. There are choices that will be suitable for any room in the house, whether you're looking for bathroom plants to add to the spa-like experience of the space, or bedroom plants to enhance the relaxing and soothing properties of the room. 1. Jade plant crassula. The crassula, also known as the jade plant, is a fabulous winter houseplant, explains Morag Hill, co-founder of the Little Botanical. It's happy to tolerate warm and colder conditions and can withstand low-light conditions easily enough. As long as you keep up with a monthly watering routine and give it a little bit of sunlight, it'll last through to spring and summer, she adds. Jade plants can make a lovely addition to a dresser display as kitchen plants, and grouped with a range of other smaller plants if you're decorating with plants. 2. Succulents. Although small in size, succulents are known for their sturdiness and low-maintenance indoor care. Since they can be found on every continent, succulents have been adapting to all sorts of environmental settings, ranging from dry climates or heavy droughts. However, while they can thrive under various temperatures and humidity levels, the secret to success with succulents is at least 4 hours of direct sunlight a day and special care taken not to overwater them, explains Lindsay Panghorn. Make sure you know how to care for succulents in winter, and when to water succulents, you will be able to enjoy these little beauties year-round. 3. Oxalis triangularis. Anther top choice of winter houseplants is Oxalis triangularis, a low-maintenance and beautifully decorative houseplant with vivid purple leaves and bell-shaped flowers, explains Emily Lawler of Happy Houseplants. These pretty and distinctive plants close their blooms and leaves at night, then open wide to the morning light, adding an extra charm to their presence in the home. 4. Pothos. Pothos plants have strong durability and are easy to care for, making them perfect for winter houseplants beginners or cold seasons, says Lindsay Pangborn. Known for their trailing vines, pothos plants will not mind facing chillier winds when placed on windowsills or lower light levels during the season's shorter days. Pothos plants also come in various forms for all sorts of homes, she adds. Learn more about pothos plant care, and you can enjoy the many different varieties. They are also among the best feng shui plants to add positive energy to your home. Just take care when watering these beauties. If you ever find yourself asking, why is my pothos turning yellow? It could be because you are over or under watering it. 5. Tradescantia. Tradescantia is a species of spiderwort native to South America, also known as the wandering dude because it grows rapidly and will urban wild any space, explains Emily Lawler. This classic retro winter houseplant looks beautiful and is among the best plants for hanging baskets or for containers, and is stunning and easy care for, Emily adds. 6. Aglaonema. There are a number of aglaonemas singled out by the experts as being among the best winter houseplants. Aglaonema pink star is a gorgeous, rare plant that will thrive easily in your home. Tolerant of low light conditions and easy care, these are perfect plants for beginners, but attractive collector plants for more experienced growers, says Emily Lawler of Happy Houseplants, who adds it is a good plant choice if you're looking for a jungle look to your interiors or are a fan of stunning foliage. Varieties such as this that have beautiful pink or red leaves are perfect to add a little color to your home during the winter months. Dan Bruce of Leafy Plants chooses Aglaonema Chinese evergreen. This thrives in low light and is happy with cooler temperatures, he explains. It fares best in medium, indirect light, but can go as low as total darkness and still survive. 7. Cyclamen persicum. Often, the best winter plants for pots and borders outdoors make the best winter houseplants too. Cyclamen can look stunning grouped together for impact and to create a mini indoor garden scene. All types and colors of cyclamen in shades of red, pink, and white are great options for winter. Cyclamen thrives in cooler temperatures, says Karen Musgrave, a certified nursery and landscape professional at Hicks Nurseries in Westbury, New York. She recommends placing potted cyclamen near a drafty window or entryway to add a nice burst of color to your space. They require indirect sunlight and well-drained soil. These look lovely on a windowsill to add some winter color as kitchen plants. 8. Dwarf citrus. We've listed citrus plants on our pick of the best indoor trees, and although you might associate them with summer, dwarf citrus plants, including lemon, small oranges, and tiny kumquats, are not only top of the tree when it comes to adding a little zest to interior schemes, but they are certainly among the best winter houseplants for culinary and mixology use. Move dwarf citrus outside in summer, but bring them indoors for winter, preferably in a room with a slightly cooler than average indoor daytime temperatures, ideally 65 degree F, 18 degree C. 9. Phalaenopsis orchid. Orchids are classic and seasonal choices to bring your indoor winterscape to life. Jessica Madison, principal of Connecticut and New York-based Madison Landscape Architecture, says, "My number one houseplant for the winter is the beautiful and undemanding white Phalaenopsis orchid. It is sophisticated, low maintenance, happy with only medium light, and lasts for months. They are also among the best bathroom plants, and you can quickly get to grips with orchid care." 10. Galanthus nivalis, snowdrops. If you are planning a winter garden, it's likely you're thinking of snowdrops. And guess what? They can be grown indoors too. Forced bulbs of all kinds are another of Jessica Madison's choices for best winter houseplants. Indoor-grown spring bulbs, including snowdrops pictured, miniature narcissi, muscari grape hyacinths, and hyacinths, all make it onto our list of best winter houseplants. They bring a welcome foretaste of spring and are guaranteed to lift the spirits on dreary winter days. Forced bulbs are readily available in nurseries from late fall right through to spring. Keep them cool, or they may grow tall and leggy. Thanks for watching, guys.